Hi guys, hi YouTube. This is my new pickup 5-band equalizer. It is double pickup. It got a microphone there and pickup saddle under this bridge. It's plugged in here. I don't need to take out this. Now I'm going to dial the microphone, make it double. Bring the microphone all the way up to the top. Okay, so double pickup is very good. And next, I'm playing Maroon 5 Memories. Graduation by Truth Road. Memories. Here. And here is a battery box here of the 5-band equalizer. It's made in China. It's right there. The saddle is under this bridge. It cannot see. And here also having a screen, and this is blue light. It is too bright. It's easy to break in my eyes. When I tune like this, it is light here, and it's here also. Here is much bright. Okay, now I'm close this.